And so it started on a cool spring morning in Greenwich, London. I met up with the tour group. Okay, so it's the first morning of our tour and the bus is outside, but this hotel is so pretty. This is Novotel in Greenwich. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Little bar right here. Everything is so pretty. Pretty here, pretty here, pretty out here. We had a coach that I believe seated up to 52 of us, maybe 54. That's Christy, our tour guide in the back, and our driver Ishti, both Hungarians. After we all carefully stowed our luggage, we took our seats and we were off. We were going to Dover, which I've read many years ago is the shortest point across the English Channel between England and France. The ride might have been an hour and a half, but I'm pretty sure none of us noticed. We were all too excited. Of course, it's a border, so there is border control, and we are taking a ferry, so there's a long line of passengers waiting to get onto the ferry. Our bus drove right into the ferry because, of course, it is gigantic, but that was not before we sat in this ferry terminal for what seemed like 2 hours. First, we had to go through border control. We had to get out of the bus, line up and show our passports, tell them the purpose of our visits. Then we got back on the bus and the bus drove into the ferry and we disembarked and went upstairs to have some complimentary food courtesy of the ferry line. And then we were crossing the English Channel. So I'm having breakfast. We got a courtesy breakfast today. I'm having the full breakfast platter. Let's see what happens. I had a right proper headache on that bus from being in that enclosed space, but the ferry did not help with all that rocking. Okay, so I'm on the ferry. I'm outside. I just had breakfast. I was 1 second from passing out from migraine and hunger, and now I am outside and I'm going up on deck. I need to hold the rails, but I have a bottle in my hand. I can't hold the rails with my bottle in my hand. Note to self, waterproof eyeliner. Okay, so I am on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. See where I can go to get a good video. I'm on top of the world. So we're crossing the channel, going to France. We crossed from Dover, now we're crossing into France. It is such a beautiful day. How perfect is this? I did not know it then, but this would be the last time I saw blue skies on this trip. Well, after France. This is also the first and last time you will see my flag on this trip. So I guess we're pulling in right now. Landahoy. So I guess we are going to be docking soon. I got to make one pit stop and then go back to the bus. Making their Instagram videos. Then I took a moment from recording videos to just sit and enjoy the moment. I'm lying, I was literally recording a video. But after this, we all got back to the bus and we were in France.
Let's enjoy the sights. You will notice that most of the traditional architecture, not the newer one, but the traditional architecture, will have an itsy-bitsy, very small balcony. It's not even a balcony, it's like a little veranda. And this comes from the late 1800s, early 1900s, or it was just a little place step out to smoke, and it was a little veranda to show off the wrought iron technique of the Art Nouveau, right? Because very, very top, which we now call penthouse, and we now call the most luxurious parts of a building, used to be for housekeeping.
So, my feet are on Parisian soil for the very first time ever. I am in Paris! My first time in Paris. My feet are on Parisian soil. I just woke. I did not get to fix my makeup. I have makeup bleed right now. But guess where I am? Ta-da! I can't believe I am right here. Look at this. How beautiful is this? I have a million pictures to take right here. I will end this video with a cliffhanger because this is not the Paris video. This is the Crossing the English Channel video. I was madly excited, you know. Who am I kidding? This is Gail in Paris for the first time, and I am about to have a ball. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for the Gail and 876 Documents in Paris video.